Meaning of distinction.
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 Distinction. The term distinction refers to the recognition or differentiation of a difference between things or concepts. It is the act of identifying and separating something from others based on its unique characteristics. Distinction can also indicate a high level of excellence or achievement, setting apart someone or something from the rest. It implies that there is a clear contrast between the distinguished object or person and others in its category. By making a distinction, we are highlighting the uniqueness of something and acknowledging its value and importance in its own right.